In a world where innovation is the driving force of progress, the realm of artificial intelligence, AI, stands at the forefront, transforming abstract ideas into tangible and profitable innovations. As we delve into the dynamic landscape of AI product development, we embark on a journey where creativity meets technology and groundbreaking concepts materialize into solutions that reshape industries. Let's explore how the alchemy of ideas and AI expertise turns the intangible into the profitable. The genesis of AI product development, nurturing ideas. At the heart of every successful AI product lies a seed of innovation, an idea that germinates into a solution to real-world challenges. The initial phase of AI product development involves ideation, a process where creative minds envision possibilities and identify problems that AI can address. This phase is crucial, requiring a blend of industry insights, technological awareness, and an understanding of user needs. Ideas, like seeds, need nurturing, and it is during this stage that the foundation for profitable innovation is laid. Crafting the blueprint, from concept to concrete plan. Once the idea takes root, the next step is crafting a comprehensive blueprint that transforms the abstract into a structured plan of action. This involves defining the scope, outlining functionalities, and assessing the feasibility of the proposed AI product. The blueprint serves as a roadmap, guiding the development team through the intricate process of translating concepts into code. In this phase, collaboration between visionaries, engineers, and data scientists is paramount, ensuring that the blueprint aligns with both technological capabilities and market demands. Coding alchemy, transforming lines of code into intelligent solutions. With the blueprint in hand, the development team commences the coding alchemy, where lines of code metamorphose into intelligent algorithms and functionalities. Leveraging the power of machine learning and deep learning, AI products evolve into solutions that can analyze, adapt, and learn from data. The coding phase demands precision and expertise, as developers navigate the complexities of AI frameworks, ensuring the product's ability to not only meet but exceed user expectations. It's a digital symphony where every line of code plays a crucial role in the harmony of the final product. Testing crucible, ensuring reliability and performance. No innovation is complete without rigorous testing. The testing phase acts as the crucible where the AI product undergoes intense scrutiny to ensure reliability, performance, and user satisfaction. From identifying and rectifying bugs to optimizing algorithms, this phase is a crucial checkpoint in the journey from concept to profitability. User experience takes center stage as the product is refined, ensuring that it not only meets but exceeds expectations in real-world scenarios. Market integration, from virtual to real-world impact. A successful AI product is not just a technological marvel, it's a solution with real-world impact. The integration of the product into the market marks a significant milestone, requiring strategic planning and effective communication. Product developers collaborate with marketing teams to highlight the unique selling propositions, demonstrating how the AI innovation can address specific pain points and add value to the users. This phase is not just about releasing a product, it's about orchestrating its seamless integration into the ecosystem it aims to transform. User adoption, the litmus test of profitability. The ultimate litmus test for any AI product's profitability lies in user adoption. A product may be technologically advanced, but its success hinges on how well it resonates with its intended audience. User feedback becomes a precious resource, guiding iterative improvements and enhancements. Engaging user interfaces, intuitive functionalities, and a positive overall experience become the cornerstone of sustained profitability. The journey doesn't end with the product launch. Rather, it evolves with the continuous refinement based on user insights. the future of AI product development. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, AI product development stands as a beacon of innovation, turning ideas into profitable realities. From nurturing concepts to crafting blueprints, from coding alchemy to rigorous testing, and from market integration to user adoption, the journey is intricate, demanding collaboration, expertise, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. As we stand at the intersection of creativity and technology, the future holds the promise of even more transformative AI innovations. Subscribe to stay tuned for the unfolding chapters of AI-driven progress, where ideas continue to shape the world.